Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaka. If it's your first time, I just want to tell you that I'm super glad to have you on here. Yeah, let's get right into it. Today's video is going to be a quick video on how I achieved this look. Yeah, you know how it's summer and sometimes you're just not into the wig life, or you want to just give your hair a break. I feel like this do will help you like achieve you know, all that, so you can rock your hair, you know, let your hair breathe a little bit while also looking cute and beautiful, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I really like it. I've been seeing it around and like, you know what, I'm gonna do this. And today I'm going out. At the end of the video I'm gonna tell you where I'm going to, so hang in there for that. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So basically just want to comb your hair out. Well, let's just say I combed my, it's so hard though. I'm not even saying natural. I don't know why I struggle. Like, you know, I don't know why I struggle. Like, this hair is just so. One of the key things to achieving this look is to have your face snatched. And to have your face snatched, honestly, it's at this stage. If you don't snatch your face at this stage, then it's gonna be too late by the time you're putting in the, you know, the attachment. So what I like to do, I like to use a thick, like a strong thread, like the ones you use in making your weave. Those ones are durable, so I use that to tie around my hair and it's snatched, super snatched. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay. So yeah, you can use gel, you know, to like hold your hair in. I mean, typically I don't really want to have it so slicked down, but what I can use this the foaming wrap to just like give it a little bit of, you know, a little bit of that, you know. Yeah, because I don't really want it to be gelled all the way down. That's the look I'm going for though. If you're trying to achieve more of a sleek look, yeah, definitely use gel, you know, before you pack your hair off. But I just want to just do it like easy way out. I'm not trying to do too much, you know. So yeah, this stage, critical stage, right? Because you really want to have that snatched look. So then I've been able to like put my hair all up. I'm gonna tie it. Guys, if you can hear the noise, please pardon me. My neighbors decided to use this time to do construction on their roof. It's very not convenient, but I didn't want to procrastinate this video, so I'm like, I'm gonna do it either way. So please bear with me. Is it looking snatched enough? Do you think so? Do you think so? I think so. So I've been able to wrap it around and snatch it. I think this is okay. It's kind of what I'm going for. Don't want it too much, right? Okay, so time to use this. So today I'm going to be using this one. I'm just going to say that if you're using like normal attachments, like the expression ones that, you know, you really have to stretch it out, and that's really easy to do. Just use your fingers to like pick it up, or you can actually use like a coarse brush to like brush it out, and that would work because you don't want the ends looking very like coarse, you know, and not natural. But you know me, I'm lazy, so I already went to get the pre-stretched ones, and they come already picked out. They're stretched, and I like this one, so I'm like, you know what, I'll just go for this one. And this one has comes in 3-in-1. It's called Shake and Go pre-stretched braid. See, it's pretty long. I love it. So that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using this too. Okay, so now I have both of them here. So what I did actually was, so that I can make it a little longer, I did not make it equal. Like you can see, some parts are longer and some parts are shorter. It won't matter when you start braiding it. So Again, I used 2 of the bundles out of the 3 to achieve this look. Okay, so I'm just gonna comb it out a little bit, and then take the band, just the one that came with the, you know, the attachment, and here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wrap it around so you can see it on both ends. See, and just twist it in and out, and that's just so you can have, you know, that right, and then that's the part that goes around your head. So next thing I'm gonna do is separate my hair into 3 parts so that I can braid it along with the attachment. So now the attachment as well is into 3. Ooh, all done. Yes. Yeah, so remember I was going to tell you where I was going to go. I'm just going to go have breakfast downstairs, that's all. Yeah, I know, such a bummer. And voila, I'm all done. And I love this look. Thank you guys so much for joining me in creating this look. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something, 1 or 2 things, hopefully. Let me know in the comment section if you would be trying this look, and if you do, please do tag me on Instagram. Yeah, so I'm done. Bye.